Let's see. We got you some. We got some room right over here for you.
All right. So what I do is.
Let's see. I'm gonna see if we probably still gonna be able to hear you on the mic, but yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So basic workouts that I do, and I'm gonna show y'all some that y'all can do that's gonna be really nice.
Get comfortable wherever you are.
All right. So this is a basic push-up. When you do your push-ups, you always saying I be doing them short. I be short doing my push-ups. So here I'm gonna do a full one. So look, you go straight down, boom, come right back up like this. Boom. Chest gotta hit the floor, all the way up like this. Boom. That's how you do a successful push-up. Make sure that you do at least. I do 100. I do 100 just like that. So the next workout I do is I do abs. My favorite thing to do is crunches because it gets your upper abs. And if you want to do your lower abs, you got to do leg raises. So come down.
Hey, my guy giving a full workout tutorial right now. Y'all better appreciate it. Y'all better appreciate it.
Gyms, man. I'm in gyms.
He giving y'all a full workout tutorial.
When you go straight down, boom. Right up. Is that simple?
You ever hear that push-up challenge? It was like so I heard about it years ago, bro. So basically what it was you do, I think it's 3 minutes. It's 3 rounds of the push-up challenge, and you do just maximum amount of push-ups as you can for 1 minute. Okay. And then you take a minute rest. And then you do another maximum amount of push-ups you can for the second minute and take another minute rest. And then you do a maximum amount for the third minute, and then once you finish the third minute, then you're done. But the whole thing is it don't matter how many you do, it don't matter how many push-ups you do, as long as you finish. That's the whole thing. So whether you're doing a lot or whether you're doing a little bit, as long as you make it through the 3-minute drill, then you done beat the push-up challenge. You think you can smack that out?
Probably.
Well, yeah,
I most likely can.
You probably can.
Yeah, I most likely can.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not,
probably
I'm not gonna
can.
lie to you, but not gonna lie, I've never heard that one before, but I really like it. I'm not
gonna lie, it might have just been something that was like in my area or with my folks that we was all talking about. It might have just been something small and not really big, but you could probably do it because if you're doing 100 push-ups, you could probably smack that out. I ain't did 100 push-ups in a minute. I try and smack at least 25.
I don't do them straight through. I like to
the sets, break them up into sets and stuff like that.
But straight through, if I do 100 push-ups straight through, that's like my burnout. And that's like at the end of the workout.
Damn, you can smack 100 straight?
Yeah.
Oh, that boy smacking. That boy strong. That boy smacking 100 straight. Hey, that's what's up, bro. Hey, that's a lot of push-ups at once. I can't remember. The most I remember doing at once was, I want to say I got to probably like 56 or something. And this was a while ago. This is years ago, bro, to be honest with you. But I don't know, man. So talk a little bit about the nutrition side of working out and stuff like that. How can people help, or how can you help people balance their diets and stuff like that and when working out?
So basically, with working out, the nutrition I've learned is the most important part of your whole fitness journey. So basically what I mean by that is, let's say me and my man's right here, we go work out, right? We killing it. I kill him in the gym, got a great workout, and after that he go eat burger, fries, pizza, all that stuff. It's like it diminishes all the work we just really just put in.
Right.
So
sheesh.
Yeah, it works like that. I don't know why it does it. It just does it. It's like it's
tough.
Excess calories. But also what people have to know is too, it's not what you eat, it's how much you eat it.
I've heard that before too. I heard that's a big factor.
Yeah, so it's not necessarily these foods are getting you fat. It's just you're eating a lot excessively all the time. Like let's say I eat in the morning I have pancakes and all that stuff, sausage, eggs, whatever you want.
Right, full breakfast.
Then noon I have burger, fries, whatever, and then I have whatever else that you like to eat, but it's bad for you. It's bad, so you're eating a lot of bad food excessively, and that's what's making you big, not the actual food itself.
Right.
So when people will see me out and they'll say like, you eating a burger? Like that's a part of your. I'm like, well, this is probably the first burger I've eaten all day. Like I've probably been eating salad.
That makes sense.
And I like to go to Chipotle a lot, so I go to Chipotle, eat that, and I eat a lot of salads, and you have to drink a lot of water. So when you're working out, and the part is I'm not a nutritionist, so I necessarily don't give out necessarily meal plans and stuff, but I know what people have to eat. Like you have to drink a lot of water for one. I guarantee you, if you drink a lot of water, you'll see more results faster. If you drink that, you'll be good. You have to eat breakfast because, especially when you want to lose weight, you have to eat. I'd say eat more snacks, like occasionally. Like don't eat big full course meals. Like have a shake here, then have a sandwich like a couple hours later. Because what happens is if you try to starve yourself, at the end of the day, you'll start binge eating. Yeah, and what I mean by that is you're going to be like, dang, I ate all day, so I'm about to kill all this food because I ain't ate.
That's me. That's me, boy. I'm like, damn, it's 6 o'clock. I ain't ate nothing.
And like this comes from experience because when I was trying to lose weight to cut up, what I mean by cut up is I have a lot of muscle, so I tried to cut it up so you can see my abs poke and stuff, right? So I would starve because I go to work and I starve myself the whole shift, binge eat at the end, and then I just gain more weight. Have you ever done that before?
I do it all the time. I do it all the time.
I would recommend that people eat light snacks or meals throughout the day because that works better than just trying to starve yourself and then
one big huge
meal at the end.
Yeah, I feel that, man. That's literally exactly what I be doing sometimes. I mean, and it don't be intentional all the time, but sometimes it just be like, damn, I ain't ate all day. And then, like you said, because I don't think about it, it'll just be like, man, I ain't ate all day. I'm starving. Yeah, I'm about to get whatever. Like, I'm about to get greedy.
Yeah, it happens. It's all trial and error, bro. Like everything that I tell people, I've done myself. Like I've literally everything regarding working out. I've made all the mistakes. I done did everything. Like really, I done tried to look. Cheating sets, all that. Did that. Not wanting to go to the gym. Like, no, I'm gonna just do it tomorrow. Did that too. Like what you have to do is you just have to if you want to go on this fitness journey that you choose, or you have this certain fitness goal for your body, you have to dedicate yourself to it like you would do anything else. Yeah, and the thing about your body is you can't cheat it. Not gonna lie. So you can cheat. You can. Hopefully I don't. But you can cheat on tests. You can cheat on tests. You can cheat on your spouse, all that stuff, but you cannot cheat your body because it's like it knows, like it just knows. Like when you play basketball, like your coach said, you can't cheat the process. You can't cheat, like because it's gonna show up in the game.
That's like so true.
Let's say you're supposed to be shooting 100 jumpers, and you're like, nah, bro, I'm gonna just shoot 70.
It's gonna show.
It's gonna show in the game.
It's gonna show, yeah, that's so true.
It's gonna show in the game. So it's like you can't. That's the one thing about that is you cannot cheat it. It's gonna give you exactly what you get out of it. Like with how much work you put in, is really what you gonna get.
Yeah, that's true. You ever think about like starting your own workout? I don't want to say workout tapes because that's old as hell. That's real way beyond. But like kind of a workout package. You know how sometimes you'll go on IG and you see people trying to promote their little workout brand or whatever the hell they might be promoting. You ever think about doing stuff like that?
Actually, yes. So
I think you should.
What I'm gonna do is when Corona's all out and stuff, and I can get actually back in the gym, and I graduate because I'm trying to graduate in the summer.
Right.
Big praises to me.
Hey, good luck with that with the Corona, man. I wish you the best with that.
Thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna try to. I'm really trying to start my own, and you heard it here first. Trying to start my own brand and my own business. Fitness wise, so I'm trying to have, because a lot of people ask me for workout plans. A lot of people say they want to work out with me and stuff like that. So most likely I'm gonna have like a photographer like Rod, my guy.
Yeah, Rod. I ain't heard no flicks over there, Rod. What's going on, bro?
My guy Rod, cause he flicked me up. I ain't gonna lie. 2 years ago that I still use the pictures for. I ain't gonna lie. I still use them.
That's what's up.
I'm gonna have him take a little pictures of me doing different workouts and hopefully making a website. And
that's what's up.
I'm trying to just get all this fitness stuff to people, especially college kids, because it's like we do a lot of stuff that we're not supposed to do, like drinking and eating bad.
This is the age group, that 18 through 24, 25 age group. Yeah,
they got it. We have to really get in on that, because it's like right now, if you start having good
habits now, you're gonna have them when later down the line. You're not gonna just touch 40, 50 and be like, look, I'm about to start working. It don't work like
and
that.
if you do, it's gonna be a little bit harder than what it would be. So yeah, that's so true, man. Is there anything you want to add before we move on?
I think
we got to get that workout a name, bro. The ab workout, we got to get that a name. That deserves a name. That's a hell of a workout right there. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we play this song or behind the scenes somewhere. I don't know, but we gonna figure out a name for that because that workout need a name, bro. What was the challenge called? It was just like an ab challenge.
It was just something that I just did on the spur of the moment. Like it was just basically a burnout. So I always just at the end of all my sessions, I just shoot a little workout video.
I feel that. That's what's up, bro. Well, thanks for coming, G, man. I appreciate it. We gonna get into your song, Lil Baby.